Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how to rehydrate a monotub. First, I recommend putting your cake into a monotub that doesn't have any holes. Now it's time to soak the cake. Pour water so the cake is completely submerged underwater. I recommend soaking your cake 2 hours every inch of substrate. My cake was about 2 inches, so I soaked my cake for 4 hours. Then, after 4 hours, drain the monotub and make sure that you drain all of the water out of the monotub and don't leave any water. Puddling of the water can cause additional contamination to grow, so make sure you just get it all out. Then, after I drained my monotub, I plugged her back up and let her recolonize, and once I started seeing pens, I opened her back up for the fruiting stages and started misting and fanning her again, and then I got my final flush from the rehydration. I also went ahead and just let the mushrooms grow and spore everywhere because I just kind of wanted to see what happens. Pretty cool, I think. And that's my fingerprint. And this is the final harvest of that monotub. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. You can reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, or you can email me. Thanks again.